Okay, folks. So, um, I've always been rather fascinated with geometry and geometrical shapes and all of that. And this here is a triangle square, or speed square as it's commonly known, and it is a very cool tool. I use this tool for everything. It doesn't matter what project I'm working on. I'm using a speed square, okay? And I think it's very interesting when we're talking about the 33rd degrees, 33 degrees, because when you line this up like this, right? Let's put it on the 90 degree. There's 90 degrees, right? Zoom in on that. You can see that's the 33 degree line, right? Now, when we're here at ground level, everything, when we're looking out around us at the world around us, everything that is below this 33 degrees, all of this space here, all of this here, all the way around us, we will never see. If we're here at ground level, we will never see what is beyond that 33 degree angle. It doesn't matter which side you turn it, how you turn it. These are 90 degrees. That's the 33 degree line of sight right here. Like I said, because I'm repetitive, I'll say it again. Everything out in this area here, out and around us, we won't see from ground level. So they could very easily hide anything they want out here in these outer territories, okay? There's definitely something more to the pyramids and the way the pyramids are positioned around our planet. And I find it very curious because when you look at all of the geometrical shapes that we were taught from a very young age, any of them, it doesn't matter, any of them, with the exception of one, okay? And I'll show you. Here is a cube, but from this angle, it looks like a square, right? It isn't until we turn it that we can clearly see this is a cube, right? But from a certain angle and a certain viewpoint, it just looks like a square. We can do the same thing with a triangle. At this angle right here, it just looks like a triangle, right? When we spin it, clearly we can see that is a pyramid, okay? There's only one shape that no matter how you turn it, no matter how you spin it, it still looks like a circle, and that is a sphere, a ball. From this angle, it looks like just a circle, right? And let me spin it. It still looks like a circle. It doesn't matter how you turn it, how you view it, our perspective from this point, it's just a circle, right? So I think that there's more to this 33rd degree and this big club that we ain't in than anybody is really perceiving, because I guarantee there are things going on out here below this line of sight that they know anyone at ground level will never ever see, okay? There are things going on out here that they are definitely not telling us, and they can pretty much get away with anything they want. And I find it very curious that the model, and it is only a model, and it is only a theory of a spherical earth spinning around, is what they chose to represent our planet. Okay, it's just curious to me because, like I said, because I'm repetitive, I'll say it again, it doesn't matter how you spin it, how you move it, it's still just a circle, making it the ideal geometric shape if you want to deceive people, right? Anyway, I just wanted to put that out there. I've done a couple different videos on this before, but they were deleted on the channel that got deleted for hate speech. So it's just curious to me. And again, this is a very cool tool. I like my speed square. I like my triangle square. And I use it for everything. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Stay safe and mindful, y'all. Know that I appreciate you and that you matter very much to me. And it matters very much to me that you stay safe and just stay mindful.